Turning your engine 41V36. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. Altimeter look nice. We have little damaged, and this plastics cover and socket was broken, as you can see. Compressor without any damage, and on this side everything looks good. Starter not broken, and look as well on the gearbox, we don't see any damage. And on this side engines are in good conditions. Turbo looking good, turbo turn, and on the top plastic slit not broken. On the bottom all sump without cracks, no leaks, and turning your engine 41V36.